How to add Google review to your Wix website for free. So right here, you want to go to google.com and then you want to search for elf site right here. And then you want to choose the first one, that name elfsite.com. You want to click on it. And then after that, you want to click on to login or sign up if you don't have your account. And then right here, after you log in or sign up to elf site, you want to go to catalog right here. And on catalog home, you want to choose the search bar on the search widgets. And then you want to search for Google review. And right here on Google review, you want to click on it. And from here, you can choose any Google review website that will display on your Wix website. For example, I want to choose this one. And then you want to click on continue with this template at the bottom of the screen. And then right here, if this was showed up, you just want to click on the increase widget limit. And then you want to click on the free one right here. Click on select. And then right here, you want to click on the edit. And right here on the business name and address, you want to type in your business name, for example, and click on the search button. And then you can just choose which one of the business is your business. And if you cannot find your company or your business, first you can go right here to Google and search for your business or company name, and then choose one of them. And then after that, after you choose your business, you want to click on the share right here. And then you want to copy the link and you want to go back to elf site and then type it right here on the source. And if you still cannot find your business name in Google, what you want to do is you want to go to Google Place ID Finder. I leave the link in the comment section. You can just click the link, and after you click the link, it will bring you right here on the Google Maps platform, Place ID Finder. Right here on the map, you want to search for your location, and then you want to click on the location of your business. For example, I choose this one. And after you click on your address, you can just see this place ID. You just want to copy it, click on copy, and go back to elf site right here, and then paste right here. And then after that, you want to choose on publish and click on close. And then you want to click these three dots right here and choose on embed code. And then you want to click on the copy code. And after that, you want to go back to your Wix website editor right here. And then you want to click on this plus button, add elements at the top left of your screen. And then on the search bar, you want to search on HTML. And you want to click on these embeds. And then you want to choose on embed HTML. And then right here, you can just paste the code that you just copy. And click on update. And there you go. Your Google review will be uploaded right to your Wix website. You can just customize it as you like and place it anywhere in the website. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.